Stop settling for a frozen 5-gallon bucket that destroys your back before you even get a bite. Your gear setup deserves better than that. Honestly, if you're spending 6 hours on the hard water, the wrong chair is the quickest way to ruin a good day of fishing. In this video, I'm breaking down the top 6 ice fishing chairs you can grab right now. Let's get into it. 6. Strike fishing chairs with rod holder. Look, on paper, this thing seems like it checks all the boxes. You see the rod holder, the storage pouch, and you think, okay, this is a dedicated tool for the job. And for a beginner or someone just doing casual weekend trips, it's okay. I mean, it functions as a chair. But after spending some actual time sitting in it, there are some things you need to know before you click buy. The biggest issue I ran into here was the stability on actual ice. You know how it is. Ice isn't a flat concrete floor. It's slick, it's uneven, there's slush. The feet on the strike are a bit basic. When I leaned forward to check a tip up or grab my skimmer, I felt a little more wobble than I'd like. It's not that it's going to collapse under you immediately, but it doesn't give you that locked-in feeling. It feels a bit like those cheap lawn chairs you buy at a gas station, just with a rod holder on the side. Speaking of the rod holder, well, it's there, but the angle is fixed in a way that felt a bit awkward for some of my longer ice rods. If you're using a really short ultra-light stick, it's fine, but anything with some length tends to droop or get in the way of your arm. It's a nice idea, don't get me wrong, but the execution feels a little rushed. 5. High Point Sports Oversized Portable Camping Folding Chair. This one is aiming for the big guys, or just anyone who wants a bit more room to breathe. And yeah, it is big. I mean, when you unfold it, you definitely have plenty of hip room, which is great if you're wearing bulky bibs and a heavy parka. You don't feel squeezed, which is a common problem with standard camping chairs. However, there's a downside to that size. This thing is heavy, and I don't mean solid heavy, I mean nuisance heavy. If you're driving your truck right onto the ice and setting up next to the tailgate, it's fine. But if you're dragging a sled by hand for a mile to get to that secret crappy hole, you're gonna resent this chair by the time you get there. It adds a lot of bulk to your sled, and it doesn't fold down as compactly as I'd hope. Also, let's talk about the oversized design in terms of fishing posture. The seat depth is pretty deep. That sounds good for relaxing by a campfire, but for ice fishing, we're usually leaning forward, jigging, watching electronics. With this chair, I felt like I was sinking back too much. I had to scoot to the edge of the seat to actually fish effectively, which kind of defeats the purpose of the back support. The frame is steel, which is good for durability, but the joints were a little stiff out of the box. Number 4. Ever Advanced Fishing Chair with Rod Holder. Right away, this felt like a massive step up in terms of intentional design. This isn't just a camping chair rebranded. They actually thought about what we do out there. Here's what matters with the Ever Advanced. It's built like a tank, but doesn't feel impossible to carry. The frame feels rigid. When you sit in it, there's no wobble. It plants itself on the ice really well. I think a lot of that comes down to the feet design. They're just wide enough to prevent you from sinking into softer snow or slush, which is a huge annoyance with cheaper chairs. The standout feature here is the integrated side table and rod holder setup. Unlike the number 6 pick, this rod holder actually works. It holds the rod at a good angle where you can still see the tip clearly without having to crane your neck. Plus, having that little side table is a game changer for your bait pucks, pliers, or just your coffee. You're not dropping things into the snow constantly. I also noticed the back support is much more upright. Remember how I complained about sinking back in the High Point chair? The Ever Advanced keeps you in a working posture. You can sit back and relax, sure, but when you need to lean forward and jig, the chair supports you. It doesn't fight you. It feels supportive, almost like a director's chair, but ruggedized. Number 3. REDCAMP Tripod Camping Chairs. Now, let me explain why this is so high on the list, because visually it looks simple, but in ice fishing, sometimes simple is exactly what you need. If your style of fishing involves drilling 50 holes a day and checking them all, you cannot be lugging around a massive recliner. The REDCAMP is incredibly light. I mean, you can strap this to your pack or just carry it in one hand and you barely notice it's there. It deploys in about 2 seconds. You find a hole, pop the chair, sit, fish for 10 minutes, and move. That speed is invaluable. But here's the surprise. It's actually pretty comfortable for a stool. Usually, tripod stools pinch your hips or feel like you're balancing on a fence post. This one has a slightly wider seat base, and the fabric is reinforced. It holds you well. The legs are sturdy steel, so even though it's light, it handles weight confidently. I never felt like I was going to tip over, even when turning around to grab gear from my sled. It also has a small backrest. Now, don't expect a lazy boy here, but just having that little bit of support for your lower back makes a huge difference compared to a backless bucket. It gives you something to lean against when you're waiting for a flag to pop. It takes the strain off your core. 2. Jerify fishing chair with cooler bag. If you're the type of person who likes to have everything within arm's reach, you're gonna love this. The headline feature here is the built-in cooler bag, and it's not just a gimmick, it's actually insulated. You can use it for lunch and drinks, obviously, but I found it super useful for keeping live bait from freezing solid. Or you can toss your catch in there if you're keeping a few eaters. Having that storage right under your seat means you aren't constantly digging through your sled. It keeps your workspace clean and organized. Let's talk about the seating comfort. The Jerify has nice padding. It feels plush. The backrest is high enough to offer real support, and the armrests are, well, they're actual armrests. You can settle in. The frame is coated steel, and it feels very durable against the elements. I wasn't worried about rust or corrosion from the slush. What really impressed me was the balance. Even with the cooler full of gear, which adds weight to one side or the center depending on design, the chair sits flat. It has wide feet that grip the ice well. It's perfect for that set it and forget it style of fishing. You set up your hub, you put this chair in the corner, and you are good for the day. I also like the extra pockets. There are pockets everywhere on this thing. A place for your phone, your license, your snacks. SUNNYFEEL Camping Director's Chair. This is hands down the best experience I've had sitting on the ice. Here's why it wins. It combines the stability of a hard-sided chair with the comfort of a padded recliner. The director-style frame is key. Unlike folding camp chairs that sag in the middle, this seat is flat and taut. It keeps your posture perfect for fishing. You sit on it, not in it. That means when you need to stand up quickly to set a hook, you're up. You aren't fighting to climb out of a hammock. The side table on the SUNNYFEEL is superior to everything else on this list. It's solid. You can put a heater on it, your expensive sonar unit, or your lunch, and it's not going to tilt or slide off. It has a built-in cup holder that's deep enough to actually hold a thermos. And on the other side, you've got these hanging storage pockets that are perfect for tackle boxes. But the real magic is the durability. The fabric is this heavy-duty Oxford cloth that feels almost indestructible. Wind does not cut through this. I sat in this thing with the wind chill pushing -15, and my back stayed warm because the material is so dense. The frame is aluminum, so despite looking big, it's surprisingly light to carry. It folds flat, slides into the sled, and you're gone. It just feels premium. You know when you close the door of a nice car and it makes that solid thunk? That's what unfolding this chair feels like. So there you have it. From the basic options to the absolute top-tier comfort of the SUNNYFEEL. Don't underestimate how much a good chair changes your day. If you're ready to upgrade your setup, Check the links in the description below to grab the one that fits your style.